the corner's folded in the corner. So that piece and that piece, one tile. Okay, so that tile started. I started on the plumbing wall because this had to be a full tile here and a half tile. So I'm gonna start here so that I don't screw up. If I start over there, then I could screw up. But this way I'm safe. That way I start with a full and a half. I go around. It takes time to make all these holes and all these cuts here. But this wall here should go a lot quicker. And here I gotta install a niche when I get to it. So there's a lot of cutting and fitting, but it's the nature of tile. Okay, so I got some tile up. Next we'll finish these two walls and get this knee wall and put in a niche. I cut the niche in today, and so that's ready to go for tomorrow. So let me show you where I'm at. So I got this much tile on to here. I got a couple more rows to go up there, and then I got this wall here. It's gonna be a full tile on the top, full tile on the bottom. This tile is gonna be wrapped around to here, and then I'm actually gonna have the tile's gonna go half, so it's gonna go to here, and then so I got a big piece there, and I got a big piece there. So okay, moving along. I'll show you when it's all done. Okay, so moving along with the tile. This wall is completely done. The niche is done. That piece of tile there in the cubby, so the pattern looks like it goes through. It just looks like that tile was pushed back. I got under the curb here. Under the curb is done. And under the seat is also done. The only thing I installed all the tile is done. Floating corner bench seat, 6-inch sill, another 6-inch sill, 2x2 tile on the floor, FloorFlex drain. That floating seat has 2-inch foam as a support, and it's all clad in tile. A little niche. They wanted a very small one. They didn't want a big one. And 12x24-inch tile on the walls with the corners folded in the corner. So that piece and that piece, one tile, that's one tile, that's one tile, that's one tile, etc., all the way up and down. So the grain follows around the corner. So that's pretty much it. Master bath.